Hello friends, in this video we will convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius in Kotlin. This is the simple example. Here if you enter the 0, then it will convert to 32 because there is a formula of centigrade to Fahrenheit. This will be 5 by 9, and if this is formula is the Celsius value into 1.8 multiply then 832. So it's 0, 1.8 equal to 0 and 32 equal to 32, and 32 to this is 0. This is the Fahrenheit to centigrade. We first need to subtract 32, then multiply by 5.5556. This is the formula. If the formula is like Celsius to Fahrenheit, Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32 is equal to Fahrenheit, and Fahrenheit equal to 3 minus F minus 32 into 0.5. This is same. So this is our application. We convert the Fahrenheit Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, now let's see how it works in Kotlin. This is a simple application, and we have source code, a manifest files. This is the main activity. This is the resource files of layout. The activity main. We save the one text view. Then edit text. This is the edit text. We make it number decimal. This is the output display of conversion. This is the Fahrenheit text view. This is the edit text for Fahrenheit, and this conversion of Celsius. Now let's see the main activity. Now set content view in activity layout main. We extend the app compact activity by colon in Kotlin. Now in on create override, what we do, we add the add on text change listener. This is the text change listener. Whenever we change in text, this value is calculated and show in this text view. What we do on text change, there are three methods: override, function after text change, before text, on text change. We use the on text change. What we do, if length is greater than 0, we will not use it, will crash. T of set text, ADC text, get text, to string, we convert it into string, text to, then to double, we convert it into double, and then multiply by 1.8 and the addition of 32, and we in set text we convert it into to string. Now the value is Fahrenheit will be coming to here. So this value comes in Fahrenheit to centigrade Celsius. What we do, we add the in second ADFR. This is the ADFR, and this is the second text view. Will be show the the what with TOC. So what we do on add dot text instance, we add all the method on text change. If text length is greater than 0, TOC set text, ADFR text dot to string to double, we convert it to string to double, then minus 32 from this formula and multiply by 0.56, and last we convert to the to string for the set text. By this way, on text change listener, we convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit in Kotlin. Okay, you can use this way. Okay, thanks for